Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to clone a voice using ElevenLabs. So first, you will have to go to the voices section, which is right here on the left sidebar. And now you will just have to go to the create or clone a voice button. Just click on that, and once you're here, you will have to choose the instant voice cloning method or option. Then after you click that, you will just have to upload a clean voice sample, and it should be at least 1 minute of you talking. You will have to use WAV or MP3 files with no music or noise. And once it is uploaded, you will have to name your voice and click the clone button or the clone option, and then it will process in seconds, and then you can use the voice in any script that you desire. And that's it. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.